And now, guys, don't forget, a lot of times UFT engineers and QA are put in the same group, but I'm separating for the purposes of our knowledge. But you can assume that a lot of teams will group these guys together and call everyone QA, but it is good practice for a UFT engineer to have his own tasks and jobs. It's good practice to not intermingle manual tasks with automated testing because they're completely different. Anyways, so QA is going to be doing this, and the UFT engineer is also going to run automated smoke tests and then analyze results and fix any problems related to the framework. That's what the automation engineer is going to do. And going to do that. And at night, there's again going to be a regression suite that runs. And on Friday, we have deployment to production. And afterwards, everybody repeats the same thing. Just like that. And so now, as you guys can see, I have my smoke tests being ran immediately after build. Now, why is that? It's because the developers and yourself need instant feedback regarding to what happened to the code. It's good to get the feedback as fast as possible to know whether the code that you just moved into the different environment broke any major functionality from before. And if it didn't, that's good. You can continue with your other testing. And a lot of times, smoke tests, automated, may be kicked off by QA. They may not even need to do smoke tests because you have them automated. When you get into a good system, that's great how it works, because QA can usually just push a button or send an email and some kind of automated test is going to be kicked off, which is really fantastic. And my regression suites, I run them at night. Why do I run them at night? Let's say this is like 11 p.m. I run them at night because, first of all, if you have a deep regression suite, it may take many hours to run through it. So you don't want to be at work and waiting for your regression suite to finish. A second advantage is that the regression suite will run at night, and when you come back in the morning, you will have results from the regression suite that you can look at, that you can analyze, and report any correct failures to development, and all the incorrect failures based on your script you can fix in your script. And that's why I believe that automated regression suite should be run at night. You can run it during the day, but if it takes 4 hours, 5 hours to give you back results, that's a very long time. You know, like imagine you're at your work day and it's 9 a.m. You ran your regression suite. You have to wait until 2 p.m. until you get results back from it, maybe even longer. And so it's too long. Why not use automated testing to your advantage and make it work when a human is not around? That's why management loves automated testing, is because you can have stuff running around the clock.